will bring some more color. We're talking layers of flavor here, right? There you go. Perfect. Now let them cool down thoroughly, and then we're going to get in.
What are we doing?
We're going to make some smoked bacon Oreo cookies.
Oh my God.
Oh yeah. No, this is crazy stuff right here. So, thanks to Oreo, they make these Oreos, but you got to get the one with the mega stuff, right? I mean, you got to look for that. And no, Oreo did not pay us to do this, but this is pretty trick. Anyway. So, here we got your Oreo cookies, and you can see the. Oh, somebody's been eating out of these, man. Oh, we're missing a few. So here you go. You got your Oreo cookies. So how are we going to do this? We're going to take some regular cut bacon, just like that. Don't use the thick cut because it'll just take forever, right? And then we're going to take a piece of bacon, and we're just going to wrap it around, just like that. Right here. There you go. And you give it a wrap, just like that. Looks good enough to eat already, but no, we got to cook the bacon. Yeah, so you get the idea here, right? You take one of these things and you do it anyway. It makes it easy for you. Okay, you do that wrap, and the idea is you want to try to cover the entire cookie with your bacon. Cool. Look at that.
Now you'll see these done if you go to your local fair or carnival that, sometimes they'll deep fry them, but this is a way where not all of us have deep fryers available to us. We just have our grills, so.
Yeah. And the smoky bacon, salty smoky bacon goes really well with the sweet all sugar rush. And that'll be. So you can make 100 or 200 of these before you go to the, before you go to the party. And trust me, the kids will be lining up for these things. Kids of all ages, I'd say.
It's kind of like a cool little food challenge for the kids,
Yeah.
Something different and fun. And most kids like bacon, and most kids like Oreos. Let's be honest.
Who likes Oreos? I don't.
We had Oreo theft.
Yeah, the heck with the bacon.
Oh no, Slash is coming in for one now.
There you go. Look at that. Looks real pretty. Now, what we're going to do is put these on the grill. And we're going to place them opposite the hot coals. We don't want to put this directly over the hot coals because you're going to burn your bacon. It's just be a disaster. So you're going to use this kettle grill as an indirect oven. Like that. Fantastic. All right. I think that's a start.
Harvey's got one more coming here.
Yep.
You think I'll do the rest of the bacon? Or
Heck no. No, man. We'll be eating these all night. All right, so it won't take long, and the idea is, when it's done is when you got the bacon to the way you like it. So it can be super crispy or kind of moderate. Some of us like it that way too. So, I guess another one beer break.
Take 1 or 2 beers.
All right.
Might do 2 beers.
All right. Flipping Oreo cookie scene. Oh man, look at that. Look at the color. The bacon's cooking really nice. So what we're going to do here is we're just going to flip these guys.
oh, look at them grill marks.
Look at that. Look at that. And if
Watch the heat.
we can get some of our sauce, Slasher, you can get some of our sauce. We'll baste these.
Oh man.
Now,
Nice tight little package.
bacon is like a boa constrictor, man. So, there we go.
Oh yeah.
Little dab of do. This will bring some more color. We're talking layers of flavor here, right? With the sauce, bacon, and that crazy double stuffed Oreo cookie. Oh, it's not double stuffed, it says mega.
Mega,
Oh,
mega
man,
stuff.
I guess it's a mega. All right. I'd say about another 15 minutes or so.
All right.
All right. Take a look at that. I'd say these mega stuffed bacon Oreo cookies are done. Look at that. So we're going to take them off the grill, and you want to let these cool down for a while, otherwise you'll be hurting. Look at that.
Nothing came out of them. They held together.
Nope, nope.
Wow.
I'll tell you what. Just one at a time. Oh. All right, there. Looks pretty. There we go. Oh yeah. There we go. Perfect. Now we'll let them cool down thoroughly, and then we're going to get into them. So I'd say there's another beer break going on here. Another beer break. It's cookie time.
That's it.
All right. So
There's gotta be a cookie in
help
here.
these out. You got to check these
That's
out.
it.
Look at that.
Oh wow! Look at that.
Look at that.
Nice.
Oh yeah.
This is
Know
why you want
something?
the mega stuff.
This works.
Oh yeah.
This
It's
works.
It's crazy. It's crazy.
Absolutely delicious.
Wow.
You bring this to a tailgate.
This is better than dipping in milk.
You bring
Damn.
this to a tailgate, man. I think you're selling a lot, man. I think so. Bacon's tender, the smoky, the salty, the sweet.
Cameraman. Yeah.
Oh yeah.
Finger looking good.
Wow.
So, from what we understand, Nabisco is going to package these. So you're going to be able to get what? 20 of these bacon Oreo mega stuffed cookies. I don't know when they're going to release it.
Eat and serve.
Eat and serve. Let's do. There you go. Perfect. So, I guess we say the next time you're looking for a mega stuffed Oreo bacon cookie,
Mega stuff.
check out BBQPitBoys.com. Something like that.
All right.
That works. In fact, let me show you something here. Let's show you what's on the inside of these guys. All right. I'm going to now that.
It's perfect.
Look at that.
That is perfect.
That is.
There you go.
Oh my god.
I'm telling you.
That is one dynamic flavor.
Nabisco, get in touch with the BBQ Pit Boys. We can do this for you too. Look at that. All right. Is that cool?
Oh yeah.
All right. Thumbs up.
Yeah, perfect.
Cheers.
Perfect.